just go here, make it in the center, in geometry, extrude it, and give it a little depth. Right click, convert to mesh. Now S to scale it up, Ctrl A to apply the scale. Okay, so I go here in modifier, here in generate, I select remesh, select sharp, disconnect this, I make it just in 7. Now apply the modifier. Now go here in edit mode, don't select anything here, just select edge mode. Now go here in select and select sharp edges. Now go here and hit plus, just assign this group. Now go back to object mode. So I go here in physics properties, I select cloud modifier, go here in pressure and make it in 1. And here in shape, select this group that we are creating. Okay, now go here and make the gravity in 0. Now for the bake, Ctrl S and save your project. Now, as you can see, we can enable this. So here, make it just in 30 or 20, less number here, the bake will be faster. But if you make it in 250 or more, it's take a long time to bake the animation. So let's bake this animation to see how look as. Now if I play, as you can see, we have inflation, but it's not enough. So I delete the bake and I enable this. I forget, just here, make it in 1. Enable dynamic mesh, and here I give it a little. Now I think it's good like this. We have enough inflation. So now let's bake again. Now if we play, now we have this inflation like this. I think it's good. One more thing to do, just go here in modifier and I add a subdivision surface. Make it in 2. Now we have a nice inflation like this. As you can see, it's easy. Now choose any frame. Now I add plane, S, scale it up, G, Z, down, G, Z, down until you can't see the text under. Select your angle, cursor here, Ctrl Alt numpad 0 to active the camera, hit N, view, camera to view. And now we can adjust our text in this, in the camera. Okay, now it's good. So for me, I want it like this. Now go here in a render view. Now here, right click, vertical split. Here, horizontal split. Now here, hit T to disable this, hit Z and go to the render view here. Here, I switch to shader editor, hit N to close this window. Now here, disable this, and you can disable this. Now we have here this just for the render view, and this I switch to UV editor because we will use it. Now hit N, now view, I deselect this, and now we can zoom here. As you can see, we have no light here. So I go here in world properties, here in yellow, this yellow point, go to environment texture, open the HDRI in your computer. If you haven't, you can download it from Polyhaven. Now I select the text, hit new, now Control Shift T, and I go here, search for fabric, this fabric texture, this one. So hold Shift and select the last and the first. Now we have this color, but it's not good. First, right click, shade smooth, hit I to select all, go to UV, smart UV projection, and hit S2. Now go back to object mode. Now we have this text with this texture like this. Maybe I increase the scale S and I scale it up more. Now if I go back to object mode, so I think it's good like this. Okay, now select the plane, hit new, roughness, make it like this, and here in substance, make it in 1, drag with left click and make it in 1, and increase here the scale, give it just 0.2 like this. I go here in add, I add a sunlight, go here in properties of this light and change the angle until you have a nice, you can increase the light like this. Maybe I think I must scale it up. I want it to be smaller. Yes, like this, it's good. Now this, maybe I make it a little darker, just a little. Okay, now let's render this image to see how it looks as. Maybe we can change the angle of the sunlight if you don't want to see this shadow here, but it's okay. You can play with this, and this setting that I use in cloud modifier, you can make it for any other object, not just for the text. Keep in mind, just as you scale your object, play with this value here, this value, just this value, and make the gravity down. So let's see if I change the rotation of the sun. So I think it's better like this. So now I render for the last time. So as you can see, it's very easy to make So if you like this video and you want to watch more, please check my last video